Okay, a block of mass 15 kilograms rests on the floor of a lift. So here's my lift and there's the block there. Now because it's of mass 15 kilograms, we can put the force arrow for its weight. So remember, mass is 15 times the acceleration due to gravity, so g, yeah, 15g, or 15 times 9.8. That'll give you the value of the weight. So then it says if the reaction between the block and the lift floor is 25 newtons, find the acceleration of the lift. Well, of course, the reaction is going to be a reaction because that block is sitting on the floor of the lift. So it's sort of supporting that block, isn't it? Okay, it's like it's pushing it up. So there's the reaction there. Okay, so find the acceleration of the lift. Now we know the reaction is 25 newtons. Okay, when it comes to finding the acceleration, it's useful to know whether it's going up or down. All right, and in this case they don't tell you, but you can actually work it out, because if you think about it, we've got the weight here, we've got the reaction there, so whichever is greatest is going to be the direction it's accelerating in, and clearly 15g is greater than 25, yeah, because 15g means 15 times 9.8. Okay, so it's going to be much bigger than that, so it's actually accelerating downwards. Okay, so the direction of acceleration, the direction of motion. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply Newton's second law in the direction of motion. Okay, so remember, that is the resultant force equals to mass times acceleration. The resultant force, well, it's going this way, so the driving force is that weight, 15g. And remember now, we're just focusing on that block there, yeah? Take away then the sort of the reaction there, because that's going in the opposite direction. And that'll equal to the mass. You know, the mass of the block is 15 kilograms, so mass 15 times A. So it's a case then of working this out in your calculator. 15 times 9.8, take away 25 equals 15A. So on the calculator, left hand side, that comes to 122. And then to get A, of course, you just divide. You get the answer to be 8.13 meters per second squared, or 8.1 meters per second squared.